Hello, boys and girls. My name is Bev Morgan, and I live in Hanover, Ontario, and I'm an Artshine instructor. What I'd like to show you today is making straw sculptures. We have two basic materials that we need. We need drinking straws and we need pipe cleaners. But first of all, we have to get a stock of cut up straws. So it just doesn't matter what colors you have. So just cut them up in small little pieces. I would say about a ½ inch to an inch or a quarter of an inch. You can get them different sizes. And I can't, when you do it, trying to have them fall in a bowl, but you're going to find that they're going to go everywhere in your table. And it's okay. We'll pick them up later. Just like that. All right, so we've got a nice little supply of drinking straws all cut up. We're going to work on 3 different projects. We're going to work on little stand-up little model here. I'm just bring them up forward here so you can see. So this little guy is just made up of pipe cleaners, drinking straws, and what I used was modeling clay that I got from the dollar store. And just as a base, you can use Play-Doh, you can use modeling clay as well. So you can use anything that you have at home. It's just to hold your little man together. And what's nice about this little man is you can shape him different forms. You can have him say hello. You can have him bend down. So you can kind of play with his form. And I got his idea is from my little man Eddie here. So you can play with his shape. You know, you can say hello. You say hello. You know, you can bend down, or you can pretend he's racing. He's reaching up in the sky. So it's just, you can play with this. And that's one thing I like about using straw sculptures, is that you can play with different shapes. So we're going to make him, and we can make a little butterfly, but just by using a clothespin. So just find a clothespin that has little holes in there so you can use your pipe cleaners to go through the holes to help hold them. And another thing that we can make is little spiders. So we can make a face, we can have him go in different directions. You can have him climbing on a book. You can have him go anywhere. So we're going to use him too as well. So let's start, and we will start doing them individually so you can watch how I make these little sculptures. So let's start with the sculpture of this man. Let's grab, let's say 2 blues. I need 2 pipe cleaners. We're going to meet them halfway like this. And I can alternate some, make them really colorful. So I finished putting my cut up straws on 2 of these, so they're all ready to go. So first of all, we're going to make his head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twisting. Just like that. I'm going to give it a shape here. Did you notice I have some space at the end, so I didn't fill all my straws right to the very end. I just have a little bit of space that I can move some of the straws up and down. Now, this one here is going to go right inside his head, just like that. And we're going to do some twisting again. Yep, another twist. So the 2 longest ones will be his body, and the 2 shorter ones is going to be his arms. All right, well, just have one fall, and you're going to have some falling too. So this is an idea. If it does fall, just give it a little squinch to help it, to keep it from falling. and you can shape it in different directions, just like that. All right, now his feet, he's gonna have a body, right? So he's got a body. So we're gonna join some space and we're going to do a little twist again. Just like that, make him a little come out, let his body come out. There we go. Now, what I'm using is just the modeling clay that I got at the dollar store. Or you can use Play-Doh, or if you have some of this fast-drying modeling clay. So it's totally up to what you want to do, but you should have some type of stand. So I'm going to stick one of his foot right inside, just like that, just to help support. And this foot, well, there we go. I'm going to add some more straws to help him a little bit more support. Give it a little, oh, he just took a step up. He's taking another step. So you can, there. Just by two men here. So maybe we can join them together. Like that. All right. Now the next project we're going to be doing is a butterfly. We're going to put this away. Now the butterfly I just found a clothespin. Like just a regular clothespin, and I did put some of the straws inside here. So we're going to make two wings. That's the first thing to do. And join these together. A little twist. Isn't it? Pipe cleaner is really easy to play with, isn't it? Do a little twist. There we go. Now let's look at the holes that we have here. Should we join these together? We can. I'm going to join two of them. Do a little twist. Another thing you can use when you're doing this, you can make even flowers just by, you can put them together like this and join them together and you can make little flowers. That's something else you could do. But we're going to make a butterfly. Okay, so now it goes in the holes. Let's go down to the hole. Join them together at the back. Like this one here. Down a hole. Join them in the back. Twist it. All right, so now we're going to give it some shape to it. So it's just more or less just squeezing your pipe cleaner to make it like a wing. And it keeps its shape pretty good because straws are helping holding that shape. Like that. Just like that. Now, they do stand up, held in the right way. There we go. I guess it's going to lay down. Maybe not. No, it's just going to give a little shape. The thing I want to do is give this guy a little bit of an antenna. So you can probably cut one of these in half. Let's do a little twist. There we go. Now, whoop, slippery little guy. Here, here, have a little antenna coming out to the front. Like that. There's some googly eyes. They come in different sizes. So you can Google eye right on here, right on top. Okay, so that's how I would make a butterfly. There, I got googly eyes on. All right, so let's put him away and we're going to work on our spider. Now, spider, let's move him front here, front and center. So we need some cardboard, and we need a little head for the spider. We'll have to do that first right now. And what I have is just a black construction paper. I just fold it in half. So let's just shape our head going this way, and then do it this way. I think this is better. You can have two different ways of doing this, depending what shape of your head. You can have it this way or this way. But the idea is to have a fold, because you really need that little fold just to help secure everything up. So let's use this one. Now, you're going to get 4 different colors of pipe cleaners and fold them in half, and then you're going to twist these together like that. So that's all ready to go. And while we're waiting for that, we can do our little head. We can have our eyes and the nose. So just with the white paper, and I've got this, let me see here. Let's fold this in half so we can do 2 at once. Just cut a shape for her nose, and then shape for the eyes. It's like a shape like a heart, something like that. There we go. Now we've got 2 of them. There we go. Then we can put it on top of there. We can make a big eye like that, and then have another big eye on the side, and we can make a nice large nose right inside. Put 2 dots for his eyes, or you can use a googly eyes again. You can have a googly eye on this side, and that's what this I did on this guy. I made this, and I have the 2 googly eyes on the other side. 2 different ways of doing it. And before I go any further, I'm just going to put some glue stick right on this white piece of paper. Have fun with this. There we go. Now he's got eyes and a nose. He's got his head. We want to put the loop right inside, just like that. And I found the best way is to use a stapler, as well as we're going to put the glue on too as well. So we're going to put more glue stick on here. Just on the edges. Okay, fold that like that. And we'll do a staple right underneath. So it could be his mouth, right? Like that. Now, again, we're just going to play with our straws and put it inside. You put as many as you want. You're going to shape it. And at the very end, see how you're just going to curl it just to keep it from coming out. You can do as many straws as you want, or very little, so that way you can have them all sitting on a book or climbing down a rope. You can kind of hook it on. So I hope you enjoy straw sculptures. You can do lots of different things with these. I discovered you can make flowers, you can make necklaces, you can make bracelets. It's just so much fun. You can just explore and have fun with straws and pipe cleaners. So this is Bev Morgan from Artshine, and I hope you have a fantastic day.